Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some Thai fried rice. On this board I have some white onion, cabbage. I have some pop choy, the Chinese pop choy. I have some tomatoes, bell pepper, scallion, and I have some celery. Okay, and garlic. I'm sorry, garlic. So this is the rice that I've been boiling and show you as I proceed. Okay. So I'm gonna add the rice into the boiling water. Now I'm gonna half cook this rice. I'm not gonna fully cook this rice. Okay, so stay tuned. So in the meanwhile the rice is cooking, I'm gonna steam some broccoli. The water is boiling, so I'm gonna add this with some salt and let it steam for just a minute. Okay. Just for a minute and then it's done. Alright. So now the rice, I'm going to strain this now. It still have some grain in it. Alright, maybe 1 grain or so. And I'm going to strain it now, okay? So the broccoli done steam. I'm going to set this aside. So this is the rice that finished straining. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there to cool. In the meanwhile, I'm going to... So this is the chicken. I already washed and seasoned up. Okay, and I chipped it very finely. So I'm gonna add this chicken to the pan and let all the liquid fries out. Okay, I'm showing you guys one by one. I didn't able to decorate the whole table with everything. I have 6 eggs which I'm gonna crack and put it in a bowl and beat it up with some salt. Okay, I didn't put any oil in this pan. I just wanted to make sure that all the liquid fry out of this, and then I'm gonna step it aside. Okay, so I'm doing everything piece by piece, and then I'm gonna add everything together as we proceed. So now that all the liquid is out, I'm gonna place this in an empty container and we will proceed. So now the oil is out, I'm gonna place this into the oil. So now I'm gonna fry it. Okay. It's only about 2 tablespoons of oil I use. Any oil of your choice. Alright. So remember I add salt but not too much because you must have to add salt if you rice. I never cook rice with salt, okay? So this is done. I'm going to take it out. Okay, and I'll continue. For all the ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description bar down below. Okay? Thai fried rice, guys. Okay. Thai chicken fried rice. This is it, guys. Thai chicken fried rice. Okay. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. For all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. For those who've been there day one, thanks for your support and your love. Thank you a million. Okay. Again, for all the measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description bar down below. All right.